Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, June 9, 2023. Today's video is about Girvan Yuddha Bikram Shah. Girvan Yuddha Bikram Shah, 1797 to 1816, was the fourth king of Nepal, ruling from 1799 to 1816. This drawing of the king was produced by an unknown artist around 1815 with opaque watercolor and gold on paper, and is now in the collection of the Los Angeles County Museum of Art. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.